We're gonna change this blower motor out. We're gonna take out these guys right here, unloosen the wheel. Come back here, take out these bolts, drop it out, change out the wires, complete change out. Set the motor back in place with the shaft, 2 flat sides for the screws to tighten down to the shaft. Make sure you got a good spin and not grabbing nothing. And then re-tighten down the bolts for the motor. And then we just gotta hook the electric back up. Got the blade back remounted to the shaft, free spinning. Got the electric hooked back in, bolts back on. Time to test power. Let's go ahead and test the fans. Low now. Perfect.